Hello everyone. Today we will learn SQL SELECT statement. The SELECT statement is used to select data from a database. The data returned is stored in a result table called the result set. So the basic select syntax will be select call1, call2, call3 from table name. So basically you have to give the table name here and the preferred column names you want to select, you have to give them here. So we have a demo database here. Its table name is student, so we'll give our table name student, and if we want to select all the columns, just we have to put a asterisk symbol. It will select all the columns from the table. So here we can see we have two rows in our table, and ID is 5, Sifa Chigdar, department CSC and CGPA 3, and ID 7, Raju Hassan, department of computer science and engineering, CGPA 3.50. So the asterisk symbol selects all the um, columns from the table, and if you want to select a specific column from our database table, so we can just give the column name. So select we want to select name from student table. So this query is showing only the name column. uh, Previously we have seen we have only two rows of data, and their name was Sifa Chigdar and Raju Hassan. So this was the basic select symbol. So